Do you feel like your voice breaks between your chest voice and your head voice? Do you want to sing higher without straining? You need mixed voice. Today I'm going to show you 4 simple exercises to help you to master your mixed voice. Mixed voice is a blend between chest voice and head voice. How to know if you're singing in mixed voice? Your voice feels balanced, not too heavy like in chest voice, oh, and not too light like in head voice. Oh. It's the place where you have to choose, okay, do I sing in chest or do I sing in head? You don't have to ask yourself this question anymore because the answer is mixed. Just before we start, if you love to sing and you want more vocal tips and more vocal warm-ups to improve your singing voice, subscribe to my channel. We are going to start with the number 1 vocal exercise to feel the mixed voice, NG sound. Keep your tongue touching your soft palate and say the word sing. Sing. Focus on the vibrations and a good airflow. It's going to help you maintain a smooth transition between vocal registers. You can sing the word sing and hold the NG. Sing. Let's try it. Sing. We slide. Vibrations. Don't push the sound. Keep it light. Nice. Let's work on the airflow with lip trills. Let's go. Great job. We are going to sing no, no with a slightly nasal tone. Not in the nose like this. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. No, no, no. Take a breath. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Last one. Great work. Yeah! This exercise connects your chest voice to your head voice. Oui, 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 oui. Are you ready? Let's go. Oui, 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 oui. Oui, oui, oui. Relax your jaw. Wee, 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 wee. Wee, 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 wee. One more. Relax your jaw. Wee, 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 wee. Wee, 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 wee. We can do the same vocal exercise but on g g g g g g. Inhale. G g g g g g g g g g g. Yes. G g g g g g g g g g. Don't push. G g g g g. G g g g g g g g g. Relax your jaw. G g g g g. Yes. One more. Open your mouth. Let's try it. Okay, let's do it. Yeah! Great work, everyone! Practicing these exercises daily will help you to build a strong mixed voice. So go ahead and like this video so you can practice at home 4-5 times a week. If you want more vocal warm-ups, you can check out my playlist just here. Until then, see you next time.